the hole. Let's cook some chicken wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my barbecue pit. If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you know that my good friend Tango Joe sent me this Horseshoe brand peach hot sauce. And I thought to myself, what could I possibly do with peach hot sauce? And that's when it came to me, inspiration struck. And I thought, let's make some chicken wings with that, some sweet heat peach chicken wings. So I got some chicken wings, I got about 12 pieces of wings here. And we're gonna do what we always do. We're gonna slather them down with some Sang stir fry oil, because that's what I always use for a barbecue binder. And I rinse my wings off with some white vinegar beforehand, because that's what I like to do with wings. That's for to get the bad gunky off of them. But then you want to wet them down with that Sang stir fry oil. And then I've got some of this that my buddy Rob sent me. This is Big Papa's all-purpose barbecue seasoning, which is a pretty good barbecue seasoning. I like it a lot. I'm going to get that all over those wings. Get them slathered down good with that barbecue seasoning. Get that all over my wings. Starting to look like something now, isn't it? Yeah, a nice coating of that Big Papa's all-purpose rubs. There'll be a link in the description if you want to buy some Big Papa's rubs. I can't give any away, but someday I will. But right now we can't do that. We're just touting Big Papa because Big Rob says it's good. It is good stuff. I've tried it before and it's very good. It's a very good rub for barbecue. Good barbecue rub. Anyway, we'll get our wings rubbed down and get these bottles out of the way, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Get this hot sauce bottle out of the way before I drop it in the breaks. I got my Only Fire rotisserie baskets set up, and what I'm going to do is put some wings in each basket and get these on the rotisserie, because that's how I like to cook wings. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that basket, and the other 6 in that basket. I have a dozen pieces of wing here. And what we're going to do is get that on the fire and get them spinning. Close those baskets up tight so they don't lose any of that meat. We'll get them on the fire, get them spinning, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to make a short, because I don't make enough shorts for my channel. So we're going to make a short of the spinning meat video. And then we're going to make a hot sauce with this peach hot sauce and some butter. And it should be good. So stay tuned. Okay, the wings are on the fire. They're getting smoked up, cooked up. I'm going to use my phone to make a shorts video of this spinning meat. I usually use my camera, but I want to make this a short so I can claim I have a short on YouTube. I have a few. Anyway, yeah, that's got to cook. That takes about 45 minutes to an hour to cook those wings. You know, I want to get them to about 175, 180 degrees internal temperature. And then we're going to make this peach hot sauce to put on the wings. And then we'll gussy them up with some greens and stuff, and we'll drink a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. All right, the wings are on the fire cooking. I've got in my little saucepan a stick of butter. And I think I'm going to start out with about a half a jar of this Horseshoe brand peach hot sauce. I haven't even tasted this stuff yet. I got to take a taste of it. I'm going to put about half the jar in there. I want to take a taste of it, see how it tastes. Oh man, that's a sweet heat right there. You can taste the peach, and it's hot sauce, so it's hot. So it's like a peach flavored Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm going to get that in my pan and get that on the fire. And I'm also going to put some of that Big Papa's rub on there as well. We're going to get that all melted down, and we'll slather that on the wings when they're done. And then we'll, like I said, I'll plate them up, dress them up nice, and make it look like something, and we'll take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. The wings are done. They look good enough to eat as they are, but we're going to slather them with this sweet heat peach barbecue sauce, or wing sauce actually. Get that all over them. We'll toss them in that sauce. Maybe I'll save a little bit out for dipping. Maybe not. All depends on how I feel. Toss them in that sweet heat peach sauce. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Sweet heat peach chicken wings. Let me get those plated up and dressed up for the YouTubes. I'll take a picture and we'll come back and take a taste and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My sweet heat peach chicken wings are done. There's the frosty root boy mug. Here's today's beer. Miller High Life, one of my favorites. It never fails to remind me of my grandfather because I always remember, I don't know why, I don't know if he even drank this beer, but I associate it with him because when I was a little kid, he used to take me to the bar and show me off to his friends. And there was always a Miller High Life sign, I guess, outside the bar where my grandfather used to hang out. But anyway, it's good beer. It's one of the best American beers that you can get. We're gonna pour it out. I've had it 100 times. It's really good. Look at that beer. Look at that frosty mug. Look at that. Let's quaff the froth off of that. Ah, that's a great American beer right there. I can't wait to get some of these sweet heat peach chicken wings in my mouth. Let me turn the camera around and you can watch a fat guy eat, so stay tuned. My chicken wings are done. Take a look at that. Won't that look good? Can't wait to get a bite of one of these sweet heat peach chicken wings. Don't that look good? Oh man. That's delicious. The hot sauce is not as hot as I thought it would be. Not hot at all. It's mostly sweet. It is delectable. I love chicken wings. Always have. Always will. Wipe my face, baby. See that? Anyway, babies, you know what I always say. I got some blue cheese and celery here too. Look at that. I was afraid I might have to dip those wings in the blue cheese to cool them off, but that stuff's not that hot. Tango Joe, thank you for the hot sauce. Awesome. Anyway, what I always say is, not while I'm chewing, what I always say is, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard, it's right there, and visit my friend, my good friends. It's 3 guys, and I can never remember their names, but they're always having fun and cooking up a bunch of good food. Go watch Just Cook the Damn Food. I love the name of that channel. I love their channel. It's always good American hometown food, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, smash burgers and all kinds. They got some great stuff on there. So go check out Just Cook the Damn Food. Let's see, the guy's name is Charlie, Rich, and there's another guy. I'm so sorry, I can't remember your names. It's 3 cool dudes, and they're down in Texas cooking up some good food. Go check them out. Subscribe to me. Come back next week. These chicken wings, I can't wait to devour the rest of them. That peach hot sauce, I don't know where to tell you to get that. Tango Joe found that somewhere in his travels as he travels the United States looking for unique food items to send to me. Anyway, babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Bye!